Chicken biryani recipe. How to make a chicken biryani in India. Chicken biryani is a popular Indian dish that is loved by many. Here is a recipe to make chicken biryani. Ingredients: 2 cups basmati rice, 500 grams chicken cut into small pieces, 1 cup yogurt, 2 onions, sliced, 4 cloves garlic, minced, 2-inch ginger, minced, 2 to 3 green chillies, finely chopped, 2 to 3 bay leaves, 4 to 5 cloves, 4 to 5 green cardamoms, 1 black cardamom, 1 cinnamon stick, 1 teaspoon cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon coriander seeds, 1 teaspoon red chilli powder, 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon garam masala powder, 1/2 cup chopped coriander leaves, 1/2 cup chopped mint leaves, 1/2 cup fried onions, salt to taste, 4 tablespoon ghee, 1 teaspoon rose water, 1 teaspoon kevra water, 2 cups water. Instructions: soak the basmati rice in water for 30 minutes. Heat ghee in a large pot and add bay leaves, cloves, green cardamoms, black cardamom, cinnamon stick, cumin seeds, and coriander seeds. Sauté for 2 minutes. Add sliced onions and sauté until they turn golden brown. Add minced garlic, minced ginger, and green chilies. Sauté for a minute. Add chicken pieces and mix well. Cook for 10 to 12 minutes on medium flame. Add yogurt, red chilli powder, turmeric powder, and garam masala powder. Mix well. Add chopped coriander leaves, chopped mint leaves, and fried onions. Mix well. Drain the water from soaked rice and add it to the pot. Mix well. Add 2 cups of water, salt to taste, rose water, and kevra water. Mix well. Cook on high flame until the water starts to boil. Reduce the flame to low and cover the pot with a lid. Cook for 20 to 25 minutes or until the rice is cooked and the water is absorbed. Turn off the flame and let the biryani rest for 5 to 10 minutes. Serve hot with raita and salad. Enjoy your